Hello friends. In this series of videos, I am going to introduce the I/Os and available features on the Aries V3 board. We will also attempt the Arduino library functions with Aries V3. As the board is powered on, the green LED turns on steady, which indicates a good supply. The orange heartbeat LED keeps blinking. The heartbeat LED indicates that the processor is healthy and ready for action. Next to the heartbeat LED, you will find an RGB LED. This is accessible to the user through 3 GPIOs of the processor. Let's now check the documentation to find the GPIOs that are connected to the RGB LED. The pinout diagram shows the signals and processor I/Os. Those are connected to the connector pins and LEDs. In the pinout diagram you will find the GPIOs, which are connected to the RGB LED. GPIOs 22, 23 and 24 can be used to drive the green, blue and red LEDs respectively. Let's now drive the RGB LED using the Arduino program. Open the Blink example code. Let's take a moment to read through the comments. The example codes are well commented, and we could learn about the Aries dev board just by reading through the comments. The comments in the code also say which GPIOs are used to drive the RGB LED. Note that driving these signals high will turn the LEDs off, and driving the same signals low will turn the respective LEDs on. Therefore, it can be understood that the RGB LED is a common anode type. We need to drive the cathode to 0 volt to turn the LED on. Also note, this is opposite for the yellow heartbeat LED. Driving a high on the GPIO 20 and 21 will turn the yellow LED on. Let's now test turning the green LED on. Change the LED pin variable to 22. As GPIO 22 is connected to the green segment of the RGB LED. Note that the Arduino library functions such as pin mode, digital write, and delay are used in this code. As I want to keep the LED on, I am commenting the statements to turn the LED off. As mentioned before, I need to drive a low signal to the GPIO 22 to turn the green LED on. After my changes are done, let me save the sketch. Then I will upload this code to the Aries board. Upload is complete. And I see the green LED turns on. Now, what about creating some colorful lights? Let's start with an example and modify it. I am using the sketch RGB LED GPIO from the examples. In the sketch, I have changed the values of the LED pin variables with the respective GPIOs connected to the RGB LED. A function RGB color is defined to receive 3 values for the red, green and blue colors and to drive the LED pins accordingly. Remember, driving a GPIO low will turn the corresponding LED on. Turning more than one colored LED on will create composite colors such as cyan or magenta or yellow. If all LEDs are turned on, it will create white light. Let's compile and upload the code now. Wait a minute. Did you see the white light? All three of the RGB LEDs turning on together should have emitted white light. Let's look into the code. Here it is. We need to drive all zeros to the 3 GPIOs for turning all three LEDs on. Let's change it and upload the sketch in the Aries V3 board. Now, could you see the white light too? In the next video, we will continue to explore the other I/O functions of Aries 3.0. Bye now. Thanks for watching.